stayed one night at Vancouver Fairmont Waterfront before our cruise to Alaska. It's a luxury hotel located in a walking distance from a cruise port. They have different types of rooms, and we booked one with the mountain view, and we can also see our Ruby Princess docked at port. Bathroom was quite spacious with full bath. Also, there was a mini bar for extra charge. They also have a suite type rooms, and here is a quick look. For the Fairmont Gold members, there is a special lounge area for breakfast, snacks and bar. There is also a huge patio with nice view around and swimming pool. If you are going on a cruise, we recommend to book one night before embarkation at the hotel near port, and Fairmont Waterfront is one of the options. They actually delivered our luggage to the cruise ship. It was very convenient and hassle-free. Thanks for watching. See you on a cruise ship in the next video.